Yes. Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
Today we are going to learn a lesson from your Play Do Learn textbook, that is page number 78. In that, the subtopic is Introduction of Sound of Musical Instrument. Okay, that means what is meant by the instrument? Instrument means a tool that is used for doing a particular job or task. Okay, now musical instruments means that something which is used for creating a music. Okay, producing a sound. So in that chapter, we will see the different types of instrument is given and their sound. Okay. Before that starting, I will share my screen. Okay. Introduction to different musical sound. Now, this is a bell. Okay. This is
Bell.
a, yes, a bell
Bell.
is a directly struck idiophone. Okay. Produce the sound. Okay. When it is struck, it is create a vibrations. Because of that vibration, it create a some sound. Okay. That is called the sound of that bell. Okay, I will play the sound of bell. You have to be
Yes,
listen.
teacher.
Yes. Okay, children. This is the sound of bell. Bell is creating the musical sound. Okay. Now, next one is drum.
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 Yes. Drum are the oldest
Drum.
musical instrument and basic design for remain virtually ancient for the thousands of years. Okay, it is a very ancient musical instrument which is used in the ancient time. Okay, now after the thousands of years, the designs of the drum is basically change. Okay, now I will play the sound of the drum. All of you listen, huh? What the sound of the drum, which sounds create. Okay, now this is the sound of drum. Next musical instrument is, yes, wooden damru. Okay, this is the wooden
Damru.
damru.
Oh.
Okay, it is made with the wooden. It is made with the wood, which is having the two-headed drum. Okay, which is having the two-headed drum, which is made with the leather. Which is made with the leather. This instrument is also called as the instrument of Lord Shiva, which is used in the Hinduism. Okay, drum has at both the ends. Okay, the drums is having both the ends, which is made with the leather. It is made with the wood and leather. It is also called the instrument of Lord Shiva. This drum is mostly used in the Hinduism. Now this is the sound of drum, damru. Okay, now next musical instrument is flute. Okay,
Flute.
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 Yes, flute. Very good, children. Okay, a flute is an wind instrument that is produce its sound from the flow of air across the opening space. Okay, it is create a sound. It create a sound. Okay, by producing the air crossing the where is the opening. Now see, there is a small hole is there in the flute. Okay, when we play with our mouse, it creates some sounds. Okay, it is also a very melodious sound. That is a flute create a musical sound. And it is made with the wood. Now this is the sound of flute. Okay. Now see, next one is lazim. Okay. Lezim is a folk dance form of the state of Maharashtra in India. Okay, Lezim is a folk dance of Maharashtra. The dancer can carry a small instrument with a jingle cymbals called the lezims. Okay, the height of this is a wood pole is 1.5 inch and is attached with the chain. Okay, it is all attached with the two chain is there. Okay, one end and another in second end. Now here the sound of that is a playing the lazim. In that playing the lazim, the sound of drum and lazim is mixed. Okay. Now the lazim is made with the wooden stick. Now see, next one is gungru. Okay. If you know the gungru, then what is the sound of gungru? Okay.
Gunguru.
It is used for dancing while we dancing the Kathak dance, Manipuri. In that the lady is wearing the gungru. It also create the music. Yes, this is the sound of music. This is sound of gungru. Okay, gungru create a sound which is used as a music. Now next one is clarion. Okay, clarion that is a shahnai. It is larion. Okay, the larion it has to be a single reed mouthpiece. It has to be a single reed mouthpiece. This instrument can be played with a mouth. Now this is the sound of clarion. Yes. This is the sound of larion. That is a sahanai. Next one is harmonium. Okay, children harmonium. Okay, here how to play the harmonium? The player push and pulls a handle back and forth with the one hand, which is joined to the below. That blow the air. Because of this air, he can create a sound. Okay, to play the key as the other has to keep the pumping and elbow. Okay, how to create the sounds with the help of the harmonium. Okay, we can use your hands for pushing the back and forth. Okay, back and forth. Because of pumping the sound will be created and the sound is called the sound of harmonium. Now this is the sound of harmonium. Okay, now next one is flat drum. Okay, flat drum is most important dhol tasha style that is remain popular today. We use. Okay, in this drum is we can use in lazim. We can use the flat drum. So, next one is tabla. Okay, now here the tabla. Tabla is made of wood and the leather. Wood and the leather. The sound that is create the tabla is now see this is the sound of tabla.
Teacher, I can't hear the sound.
Yes, beta. Wait. That is the sound of tabla. Zakir Hussain's play a very famous artist that is a playing the tabla. That is Zakir Hussain. Now next one is tamborian. Okay, khanziri. That is a tamborian khanzirin. A sound of khanzirin is okay. That means tamborians produce this sound. Okay, tambourin is a musical instrument. It consists of a frame, often of wood or a plastic, with a pairs of small metal jingles called jills. Okay, now see, there's a at the end of the tambour there's a small jingle is there. Okay, jingle is there. Okay, now with these jingles produce a sound, and this is and the front. This is it is a made with the wood or plastic. This is all called as tamborian. Yes, understood all of you. Now see, there are some musical instrument is there. Okay, this is a bell. This one is drum. This is a wooden damru. Now this one is flute, lazim, ghungru, larion, harmonium, flat drum or drum, tabla, tamborian. Okay, so all these are the musical instruments and they create us some sounds. Okay, now try to listen the sound and tell me which instruments is this. Yeah, wait, I will play again. Okay, now listen the music or listen the sound of the musical instrument and tell me the which instruments is this. Yes, tell me the name of that. Yeah, very good. Very good, children. Very good. This is the sound of harmonium. Next sound is
Bell.
bell. Very good. This is the sound of bell. This is the sound of bell. Next sound.
Damru.
Yes. This is the sound of gunguru or damru.
Damru.
Yes, this is the
Damru.
sound of damru. Next sound is
Drum.
yes,
Flat
larion.
drum.
No, yes.
Flat drum.
No, this is sound of tamborian.
Flat
Sound
drum.
of tamborian. Okay. Now listen the sound.
Tabla. Tabla.
Yes, this is the sound of which instrument?
Tabla.
This is the sound of
Tabla.
tabla. Okay. Now is the sound of flute. Where is flute? Here is. This is the sound of flute. Okay. Now this one is last. Yes. Tell me the sound. Which instrument here? Lazim. Yes. Lazim. Okay. Lazim, tasha, and drum. All three instrument is played in the lazim. Okay. Lazim is our folk dance of Maharashtra. Yes. Understood, everyone? These are all are the musical instrument. Now see. Match the following. Okay. Now one side the instrument is given and other side is name of the instrument is given. Okay. You have to be match them. Okay. First one is this one is
Flute. Flute.
no.
F L F L
Clarion. Clarion beta. First one. And this one is second one is lazim.
Lazim.
Yes. This is a bell. Yes. Very good. And this one is
Damru.
yes. The last one is
Flute.
yes. Flute. Very good. Yes. Okay, children.
Matching.
This one is match the following. That is a matching.
Yes, sir.
One instrument is given and the name of the instrument is given. Okay. Now tell me the some name of musical instrument.
Okay, teacher.
Yes, tell me the names.
Bell, drum, cymbal, damru, lazim, flute, gungru, harmonium,
Okay.
pledrum, tabla, tamborium,
All are the musical instrument. Okay.
Musical instruments.
Okay. What do you mean by the instrument? Instrument means a tool which is we can be used to do a particular task or particular job or work. Yes. Okay. Now identify the pictures. This is a damru. And this one is gumru. This one is
Drum.
drum. Yes, this is a drum. Okay. Now this one is larion. Okay. Shahnai. This is a larion. Yes. This one is
Harmonium.
harmonium. It is a harmonium. Okay. Now children, the harmonium create a sound. Do you know? No. Now listen. While playing the harmonium, you have to put your one hand and this second elbow is front. Okay. You have to be back and forth. Okay. Back and forth. You have to be up pull. Okay. While pulling, the air create a sound. The air creates sound. Now see here, there's a black and white, a button is there. Okay. In the below, see, there is some word is there. You have to be adjust with them. You have to be adjust the button with the keys that create a sound. Now, identify this picture. This is a
Flat drum.
yes, this is a flood drum. Yeah, this is a flood drum which is used in playing the lazim. This one is
Tamborium.
tamborian. Okay, this one is tamborian. Yes. This is a tabla. Okay. Now tabla made with the wood and leather. Okay, made with the wood and leather. Now see here. What is this?
Flute.
This is a flute. Yes, flute. This one is
Lazim.
This one is lazim. Okay, children, that means you understood the different types of musical instrument which is given in your textbook. That is a 78 and some sound. Okay, that means you are able to identify the sound of the some musical instrument like tabla, shanai, gungru, bell, damru, flute. Understood, everyone? Understood?
Yes,
The musical
teacher.
instrument and their sound, how the musical instrument create a sound. Okay, so all these are the musical instrument which is given in your textbook. You have that is you have to be collect the sound. You have to be hear the different sound of the musical instruments. If you having the hobbies, listen the music, okay, singing, you have to be make a career in that singing. Okay, understood, everyone? Yes,
Yes,
children.
teacher.
Okay. I hope you enjoy these sessions.
Yes, teacher.
So bye everyone and take care.
Bye, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Yes.
Bye, teacher. Thank you, teacher.